You've heard of vibe coding? Taskade takes it further. One prompt, one live app. No coding required. I'm breaking down every feature, good and bad, in this detailed review. Taskade is an all-in-one AI workspace that turns a single prompt into a live, working application. According to their 2026 site, you start with one sentence. For example, build me a project tracker with AI agents, and their AI, called Taskade Eve, narrates the process while building your entire workspace in real time. That includes projects, AI agents, automations, media, and connections. Then ships it as a live app you can click and use immediately. The biggest positive is how Taskade combines multiple tools into one platform. It handles AI chat with models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, plus code generation similar to Lovable or Cursor, project management like Notion or Asana, and automation like Zapier or N8N. What makes it unique is the agent team. You can have multiple AI agents working together, sharing memory, using real tools, and running 24/7. The platform also offers live apps, which means your workspace isn't static, it evolves as you interact. Another strength is the execution layer for living software. Your documents become a shared brain, agents actually do the work, and workflows never stop. Over 100,000 live apps and 500,000 agents have been deployed, which suggests strong adoption. There are shows 4 plans for building AI apps and automations. Free plan at no cost for one user, including Taskade AI, building 3 apps, cloning community apps, desktop and mobile apps, plus 500 plus templates. Starter at $6 per month for 3 users with everything in free plus unlimited apps and workspaces, AI knowledge base, private and public apps, and access to GPT, Claude, Gemini models. Pro at $16 per month for 10 users featuring all starter benefits, plus unlimited AI agents and automations, training agents with your data, password-protected sharing and removal of Taskade branding. Business at $40 per month with unlimited users including all pro features, plus unlimited AI teams, multi-agent workflows, custom domains, advanced analytics, white label branding, and API integrations. Bottom line, Taskade shines for rapid prototyping and AI agent automation, but don't throw away your existing tools yet. Let me know in the comments if you want to follow up on pricing once they release it. See you later.